Hello and welcome to another lesson. And this place we'll be talking about themes, WordPress themes. So, what are WordPress themes and how can you get them on your site? WordPress themes are the layout, or let's take it as the design or layout of how the site is going to look like. Whatever you're going to be building by putting the text, images, videos, everything is going to be staying on the WordPress theme, or you can build on the existing WordPress themes. They are more of like template for you to just complete or redesign to get your to get the website you wish to have. I'm going to be going to our dashboard, which you are familiar with. This is our dashboard. And how do you install the WordPress theme? It's very easy. Go to Appearance, click on Themes. Once you click on Themes, you will see some themes that came with the WordPress installation. You can choose these ones, but if you don't like them, then you need to get another one. Currently, the one that is active is 2019. It's active as you can see it here. You can customize it. But how do you activate other ones that is not currently active? We have another one called 2020. You can click on Activate. We have another one called 2021. You can click on Activate. So let's try and activate this one 2020 and see how it's going to switch. It only takes a button to switch it. So as you can see, after clicking on the activate, I have 2020 which is active now. But what if I don't like any of these ones on the WordPress dashboard? This is how I'm going to add another, and click on add new, and you can search. If you have internet connection, you can search for a theme that you want. One of my favorite theme is Astra. So by searching for Astra, it brings it out for me, and I can click on install. So let me go back to another this page. So I'm having internet connection. That's why you can see all this. I'm going to show you, if you don't have internet connection, how to install, how to upload the theme. As you can see here, we have different themes here, and these different themes have different category. Like this one is talking about health, green eye. There's another one here about software. So this is more of like a technology theme. Then we have another one under medical, dentist. We have different themes. This is interior press. So if your category of website is under design or interior or decoration, you can use this theme and build on it. But not that you can use any theme for any category. You can, but it's easier for you to just go on one particular, to go for a theme that has a category so you can build on it. So for those that don't have internet, which is what is going on right now, because your desktop right now might not be connected to the internet, I have downloaded the WordPress theme in the folder, which is going to be placed on each of these desktop. So click on this upload theme and choose file. When you click choose file, it's going to ask you to open, it's going to trigger the dialog box for you to select the theme. So in the Quora training folder, you will see this folder called themes. Click on themes and you find a zip file. This is Astra 2.6.2, which is what I showed you earlier. But because you don't have internet access, you'll be able to pick this one from your computer, click on open it, and you'll be able to install it. So the same procedure is the same way you can down. The same thing I've done now is how you can install or upload anything on your WordPress website. So we're going to give it some minutes or some seconds for it to finish installing. It's unpacking now, it's installing the theme. Give it some minutes again. Awesome. So it's completed. You can live preview it, right click on it to see what you have installed, and you can directly activate it. So this ends our lesson for this section, which is how to install the WordPress theme. As you can see right now, it's showing Astra is the active one, and I can live preview it to see exactly what I have installed. All right, so this is another section. We're coming to this one, how you can navigate through these buttons and how you can build your website on it. I believe this ends this, and we'll be moving to the next lesson. See you soon there.